welcome to Daiwik. My name is Daiwik, and this is my little brother, Adric.
Hi.
Today I made up a question, and the question is, what type of water freezes first? Either salt water or plain water. Let's start. For the experiment, we need 2 cups of water, the same amount of water. 2 cups of water, and the water needs to be the same amount of water. And we need a pinch of salt. Let's start. First, we need to have a pinch of salt and put it in one of the cups. I'll do this one. Then we need to wear it.
It's tomato.
What?
It's hot.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. Now we need to put the 2 glasses into the freezer. And after every 3 minutes, you need to observe. After every 3 minutes, you need to observe the glasses. If one of the glasses has ice, a little bit of ice, or is freezing, or one of the glasses is not freezing, for every 3 minutes. Let's start. After 30 minutes, the 2 glasses looks like this. The salt water has ice, but is still lesser than the plain water, because the plain water is like, there's ice like all the way down, but it's still moving. Yeah. So the reason is that salt water is lesser than the salt water's freezing point is lesser than plain water's freezing point. For example, plain water is 32 Fahrenheit. The plain water's freezing point is 32 Fahrenheit, and the salt water freezing point is 28.4 Fahrenheit. So salt water is lesser, so it'll freeze slower than the plain water. That's the reason the plain water freezes first, then the salt water. This is the end of the experiment. Please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next time.